You invest $3,500 in some stock that will earn 10% annual interest compounded quarterly. How long will it take for the value of the stock to triple? Round to the nearest year. So we're going to use the compounding interest formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N, and then to the NT power. P is the principal amount, the amount you're investing. R is the rate of interest. N is the number of times you compound per year. And T is the number of years. And A is the new amount. So if we want to figure out how much it takes to triple, we're going to need to have 3 times the $3,500. So we're going to have $10,500. So $10,500 equals $3,500, which is the P, times 1 plus, the rate is 10% or 0.1, divided by 4 because it's compounded quarterly, and then to the 4, and then the number of years T we don't know, so it's just going to be 4T. So then we're going to have to go ahead and simplify and solve. So divide both sides by 3,500 first. So 10,500 divided by 3,500 is 3, and that equals 1 plus 0.1 over 4 to the 4t. And our goal here is to solve for this t, which is an exponent, which means we're eventually going to have to use logarithms. In fact, we're going to have to do that as soon as we simplify inside the parentheses here. So let me get a calculator and simplify this amount to a decimal, and then we'll use a logarithm to finish solving for the time t. So we're going to do 1 plus 0.1 divided by 4. My calculator knows order of operations, so it'll do this correctly. So 1.025 is going to be the decimal. And I'm not writing with parentheses anymore, it's just one number, so you don't need to. Now we need to solve for this t, and I'm going to write this in logarithm form to do that. Now the base of a logarithm is the base of the exponential. So 1.025 is going to be the base of the log, so it's going to be log base 1.025, and then the 3 is going to go here, and then equals 4t. So now this is written in log form. Log base 1.025 of 3 equals 4 times t. So now I'm going to do this on a calculator using the change of base formula. So it's going to be log of 3 divided by the log of 1.025 equals 4t. So I'm going to divide this out on the calculator and then divide by 4 to solve for t. So let's see, log of 3 divided by the log of 1.025, enter. And there's that number. And to finish solving for t, we need to divide by 4 because this decimal represents 4t. So divide by 4. 11.122. So it said to round to the nearest year, we're going to put 11 years. So in 11 years, that amount of money invested will triple.